Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books. JLR King Sanctuary is nestled in the Hunsur district, just 200 kilometers away from the bustling city of Bangalore. Plan your visit to JLR King Sanctuary by booking in advance through their website or reliable third-party websites. It is recommended that you avoid taking a risk by visiting this place without prior booking, as it tends to be fully booked all times. With only two packages available, Standard and Maharaja, securing your spot online ensures a hassle-free experience. The adventure begins at 1 p.m. in the afternoon and concludes at 11 a.m. next day. Package includes lunch, dinner and next day breakfast. Most importantly, it includes a jeep and a bus safari. If you wish to have additional safari, it can be arranged at extra cost. This beautiful Maharaja cottage offers a spacious living room. As soon as you enter, you will find a comfortable and luxurious sofa along with a dining table and a TV for your entertainment needs. Enjoy the enchanting greenery from your balcony, and maybe even you can catch a glimpse of a majestic peacock or a graceful deer while savoring your coffee. It's truly magical moment to be cherished. This king-sized bedroom provides enough space to store all your belongings. Of course, I should not forget this king-sized cot. Wow, it's nice. The bedroom also has the access to the balcony. You will have a water bottles, kettle, tea bags, a portable fridge and a wardrobe with a safety locker. It's decked out with all necessary toilet accessories to take your relaxation game from zero to hero with a fancy jacuzzi outside.